Hey everyone, welcome to your hands-on guide to Ethereum. Be sure to check out the previous videos where we talked about the concepts behind Ethereum and blockchain, but in this one we're just going to get some experience, taking a look at the Ethereum website, some other cool resources, and how to get started actually using Ethereum. Crypto.com is a simple app to buy and sell cryptocurrency. With one of the largest selections, this is the perfect app to explore different cryptocurrencies, their prices, and information about them. Additionally, you're able to stake your cryptocurrency for consistent growth in your balance. Best of all, Crypto.com is known for their Crypto Rewards debit card. Get crypto back for every purchase and get started for free. Sign up with the referral code Caleb and get a $25 bonus when you stake for the Ruby debit card. Look for a link below. To jump in, this is the Ethereum website. It's pretty cool. And you can go in here and you can get some good resources such as what wallet to use, how to get Ethereum, what decentralized applications to use, and then how to start programming with Ethereum, which I would say are the main four things you need to know with Ethereum. So first thing with the wallet, there are a ton of different options. You can choose what features and what you need to do with it. Now, I'm just going to suggest one wallet, which is the Trust wallet on your mobile device. Now, another really big one you should know about is MetaMask. And that's what I have here, this little fox right here. And you can see I have an Ethereum balance right here. So an idea I'm going to suggest is you can actually create a wallet on either one of these, either the Trust wallet or MetaMask, and you'll get a seed phrase. And when you get the seed phrase, you want to write it down. This is just a bunch of words. Write that down, save it, don't show it to anybody, but you can actually log in essentially to that same seed phrase using MetaMask. So basically you can share the balance across two different applications, and it's all tied to the same blockchain, but that just might be a little bit easier for organization. But it also introduces two areas you have to protect, because now people can basically access your funds on your computer and on your mobile device. So you just want to be very careful, and this is essentially what I do just for practicing and experimenting, but I don't store tons of money on any of these wallets, especially a mobile wallet. If I could just lose my phone or something, that's really risky to me. So I suggest the Trust wallet on your mobile device because it's going to come in handy for the next hands-on video, but you don't really need that right yet, and you can use the same seed phrase. So we'll actually just start with MetaMask. So go ahead, download MetaMask. I'll show you where to get it. Go to metamask.io, hit download, and install MetaMask for Chrome. It also supports these other browsers as well if you don't use Chrome. Now, when you open MetaMask for the first time, you have the option to create a new wallet or import a wallet seed phrase. Just create a new wallet if you don't already have one, and then all of your funds are going to show up here and the different tokens that are available. Now, you can get your address to send funds to it by clicking these three little dots and going to account details. You can scan that QR code or use this address starting with 0x. So for example, I can copy this, and now to get Ethereum, you'll want to use an exchange. Now for this, I recommend Crypto.com, and I'm not just saying that because they sponsored this series, but they give you instant access to your funds. When you sign up, you can buy Ethereum with a debit card and then withdraw that immediately. So on the app, I'm not going to record and show you it. Just real quick, you just say transfer and then withdraw whatever cryptocurrency you want, and then an external wallet, which is where you're going to add that address. So you can paste that address in, not too bad. There are other exchanges out there. So for example, you could use Binance. That's another popular one that I use. This one's a little bit easier to show on the computer where I can just paste in that Ethereum address and then submit for that withdrawal. Now I wanted to show you this really cool visualization. So if this right hand side is Bitcoin and each one of these little people are transactions, you'll basically see how these transactions get processed. On the left-hand side, we have Ethereum, and see how people are going into different carts? That's depending on how much gas they're willing to pay. So if you want to pay a lot of gas, you can get added to that first cart. Otherwise, you can just wait in the slower carts and then move up. And you'll notice also numerous different coins on the left here, and that's because Ethereum provides the blockchain for numerous technologies, which we talked about in the previous episode. So that's just a little cool visualization I wanted to show you. And now let's get back to what we were talking about, which is how to actually use Ethereum. So one of the most popular apps you're going to want to familiarize yourself with is Uniswap. So we're currently on Uniswap v2, but v3 is on its way. So by the time you watch this, maybe v3 will be out. But basically you click use Uniswap, and then you can basically swap your Ethereum or any of these other tokens for another token on the same blockchain. So for example, we can get Engine. And then you could say 1 Ethereum, and that'll give you 1,033 Engine. Then all you have to do is connect your wallet, select MetaMask, confirm, connect, and then you can work on these transactions. Now, when you do this, there's going to be some fees. So if we say 0.05 just to get an amount I actually have, 0.01, you can hit swap. And there is a small liquidity provider fee. So basically the people that provide the tokens for the swap get a benefit. So we can hit confirm swap, and this will actually bring up MetaMask, and it will show the transaction, but it will also include a gas fee here. So this gas fee doesn't go to the liquidity providers, it goes to the Ethereum miners. So basically you're going to be paying $28.66 just for this transaction to go through. So let me just reject this real quick. If we decided to, instead of doing 0.01, we decided 0.001 swap, confirm swap, you'll notice here that the gas is exactly the same. In this situation, gas is like almost 100% of the transaction. So the more Ethereum, or the larger the transaction, the better when it comes to saving money on gas, because it's a smaller percentage of the total transaction. So that is just an introduction. Once you swap this, which I don't really feel like paying $30 for that much, but that's going to go in your MetaMask wallet, and you'll be able to add and collect tokens here. Now, what about NFTs? Real quick, I'll show you my collection. Oh yeah, don't worry about those. What I was actually looking for was my public collection, which are these ones right here, which I have purchased. So we have 2 domains, calebcurry.crypto and coinbreakthrough.crypto, which is my other YouTube channel if you're interested in more cryptocurrency content. My internet's hardly working, so this one's not loading. And there we go, it finally loaded. So that's just a quick introduction to everything with the Ethereum network. There's a lot to learn, and this is just getting started, but I think it's a pretty good intro. If you enjoyed the content, please be sure to subscribe and check out the next video, because we're going to be talking about Binance, specifically the Binance coin, BNB. So check it out.